So I went to the new bakery in North Carolina, and it's called a YumYum Cafe. This is how their donuts look like. I got the Mingo, biscuit, and milk. And then I got matcha cookies. So I read some reviews and they said that the matcha cookie is a must try. So I was like, oh, okay, I will try too. So why not? So this is how it looks like. So, yeah. Ooh, that's good. I can taste the matcha, and I like how they added the white chocolate chips in there. It's a great combination, and this is a must try. It's good. Try the donuts. Here they are. So, ooh, it's soft. I like how soft it is. I ruined this one, but it's okay. Mingo is good. I like how the donut is really soft and chewy. And the whipped cream is very light and airy. It's good. And you're not like a sweetness, like an overly sweetness person, and you just want like something that just crave your sweet tooth. This is the one. It's good. And I believe they are $4.50. But don't get me wrong, I might don't get me wrong though, I'm not 100%, but I'm thinking that it's $4.50 for one, and it's totally worth it. So next is biscuit, and the last time I bought it like a couple weeks ago, and I shared it with my kids, and I didn't get to try the biscuit, so I had to get myself one. This is good. Next, the flavor is milk. All right, I'm so ready. Okay, I see that. I see it. Okay, so it gives me like a hint. It tastes like, it reminds me of a condensed milk. So it does remind me of like a condensed milk, and it has that hint taste of it, and I like it. Okay, YumYum Cafe. This is so delicious. I cannot have enough. And I'm gonna come back for more. I really love these.